Hi there, I'm out in my local woodland and we got this fantastic autumn conditions today. It's raining, I got my boots on, I got my rain jacket on and trousers, and look at the foliage. The colors are at its peak. It's deep yellows and oranges and all these leaves in the path. Well, it doesn't get better than this. If you like this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and leave a comment. That would help this channel out a lot. In these type of conditions with the fog, it makes everything so much more easy in the woodlands. It's much easier to pick out compositions, and all the mess is easily hidden in the fog. So this is great. And I also use the polarizer, the case polarizer, to reduce reflections on the leaves and saturate the colors. It's really difficult to say how long this fog and these conditions last, so it's hard to take it easy and just take a slow walk. It's it's not headless chicken mode yet, but it's close to it. It's very rare to have this good conditions where I live. Oh, the fog looks great everywhere. In this composition I try to zoom in, and that the tree on the right there seems very big when I zoom in. And I try to balance out the scene with that tree to the left. And the rest of the scene just makes itself really, with the fog and the mood and the colors. Well, the conditions are so great. The forest is really enchanting. Over there it's a blue light through the trees. Not so much leaves in this part of the wood. I found this scene right now. I was walking through that path here, and out of the woods. Is this lonely tree next to the pathway? So I think that might be a good composition if the tree stands out in the fog. Not sure how to do it. If the photo come out great, here is it. So this is a local woodland that I visit quite often, really. But I don't think I had these great conditions as today. The fog has cleared now, but or at least most of it. So, but there's still some mist in the distance, and right now it's drizzling down rain. Really moody conditions still. So when I visit this, it's either when it's raining or when it's foggy, and that's quite rare. So I got really lucky today. So I'm not sure what to do now when the fog has cleared, if I should stay a little bit more. It's forecasted fog until about 3. Right now it's about 2 o'clock, so we'll see. I thought I might include a photography tip. I just spent about 50 minutes walking around here in circles, everywhere, all the way to the location I was earlier and back again to find this action camera. I thought I was put it next to a tree, but it was in the grasses. And I experienced before, it's very hard to see when you're looking for something and a bit in a hurry. So this action camera actually laid there, and I was walking around here and still I didn't see it. So, photography tip, free from me. Don't leave camera gear in the grasses, put it in your rucksack. I was flying the drone and then the cloud break up and the light came through into the fog. I don't know if any of the photos were great because there was a little bit too little fog, but the light was really beautiful though, still is. I will show you a little bit of the background here too. The lake which you can see down there is the biggest lake in Norway, Mjøsa. And this is the area where I live. So this is the kind of landscapes you find here. It's quite ordinary, but we've got some spots and some location which stands out. And these trees, this moss on, looks really great. Just zooming into these trees to have some of that great foliage. The yellows are really great now. They're so saturated because of the rain and also because I use the case polarizer filter. Trying out some compositions here, trying to get that small tree to lead into the bigger tree in the background there, like this. Not sure if it's working though. We'll see. It's been a great day out, a day off from work, and I was really lucky to get this great autumn condition. I think it's time to wrap up this video. The great conditions just continues, so hopefully it won't get magic conditions with light and sunset at the same time as the fog. It's not predicted, so I don't think so. And if you like this video and my content, see, the fog is rolling in. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment. That would help the channel out a lot. It's beginning to rain, so and it's actually beginning to get dark already now at 4:30, I think it is. So I'm definitely going home now.